Jet's rocket ship creator.
Jet's rocket ship creator. Build a rocket ship. You can pick different noses, energy types, propulsion types, decorations, and tools. You're doing great. Keep creating.
Why are you saying that when it's not rebuilt?
There are two types of engines, chemical and ion. I can't wait to see how they fly. Very nice.
She looks like a mom. There. She looks so funny and so crazy. I understand right now. She looks like a head. Like, what the heck's happening? Ugh, I can't stand it anymore.
Decorations.
Oh, please, let me make it upside down. Watch now.
3, 2, 1, Excelsior! Woohoo! Let's test this rocket out. First stop, the Earth's moon.
Look what you just said.
So we're here, and we have to go to the moon. Select this button and fly your rocket. Click in the direction you want to move. Follow that arrow.
We will follow it.
Awesome! A successful mission. Whoa! Shiny new part.
Let's just continue.
Fly your rocket ship to Mars. That's mission started.
Where is it heading to? Why is it taking for life? It's taking for life to get to Mars.
So that's where our target is. Oh, that left a dent. Nice! I knew you were the right kid for the job. Whoa! Shiny new part.
Rover's Maker.
We'll start by building rovers on Earth before we head to another planet. On Earth, we'll learn how to propel a rover using gravity and motors.
This is number 1. This thing.
Your goal in each challenge is to create a rover that will carry Sunspot to the finish line. Your rover will start here, and if we build it right, it will end up here with me, Sydney, at the finish line. I went ahead and started this rover for you. You just need to attach Sunspot's cockpit to the rest of the rover. Tap and drag Sunspot.
And just whistling like that. That didn't work either.
You learned something about this.
Your goal in each challenge... I went ahead and started this rover for you. You just need to attach Sunspot's cockpit to the rest of the rover. Tap and drag.
Here's how they are going to win, and I hope there's no cheering.
Yeah!
Goodness.
Good work! That was a great design.
You experimented by making a single change and testing if it would help you solve the level.
Now this is the path another way.
Each level contains a sneaky star like this.
Doesn't matter.
Can you help me add wheels to this rover? Find the wheels in the toolbox on the left, tap a wheel, and drag it out of the toolbox on top of the rover to attach it. Wheels can attach anywhere on top of a rover. When you've got the wheels in place, press the play button to try it out. Oops, you can't drag that. You can only move the blinking pieces. Oops, you can't drag that. You can only move the
Let's
blinking.
test it again. It seems like she didn't make it, and they're still whistling again! Just like that football game. Or ceremony.
You learned something about this problem by trying something new.
Or American football game that they're whistling like that. Anyways, let's continue. Uh-oh. They're going to say yay. And look at that.
Oh yeah!
Saying that!
Nice work.
It's your last spot here.
This rover is missing some wheels and blocks. Can you add them to complete the rover? To attach blocks to the rover, drag and snap them onto the side of other rover pieces. When you're happy with... Oops! A part of your rover broke. Breaks can happen when the rover goes too fast, when it hits the ground, or goes over bumps.
Let's try again.
You learned something about this problem by trying something new.
Now we'll see. They're still whistling just like an American.
Yippee! Good designing. We made it to the goal.
Looks like you win. For the boy.
BB&J's Signs and Seek.
That's right.
Ready to play hide and seek with us in Tubbsy Towers?
Amazing. Think we should hide cool. I'll hide.
Count down with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, Jay? Here we come.
What are we gonna look for?
I picked a perfect hiding spot. But don't worry. I'll give you clues on the walkie-talkie to help find me.
Telling Jay, we can use wayfinding signs like this one. They have pictures, words, and arrows that show us where things are and which way to go.
The way to
First,
go.
I went to the mailroom. It's past the bulletin board. You can use your walkie-talkie. Nice! You found the mailroom.
No.
Next, I went to see Grandma Annie at the lobby desk. It's past the stairs.
Which past? Oh, we see Grand Annie.
Cool. You found the lobby desk. Then I ran by the stairs. Awesome.
That's
You
great.
found the stairs. Almost there. Next, I went to check the bulletin board.
Where's the bulletin board?
Right. You found the bulletin board. Finally, I'm hiding somewhere near the community room. Amazing! You found the community room. Now look for me around here.
Select Jay when you see him.
Jay is under here, and she was sitting right next to the boy and the girl.
Aha! Jay!
Cool. You found me. That was fun. Let's play again.
Ooh, I'll hide this time.
Treehouse trouble. Let's play with Hero Elementary.
There's trouble in City Town. Kids have too many pieces in there.
I want to hear it.
I can help. Tap on a treehouse to start fixing. Something isn't right about this treehouse. Let's investigate. Tap the roof to test the treehouse.
There. That doesn't work at all.
Oh no! The roof fell off! Looks like my treehouse isn't balanced. Let's fix it! Tap the undo button to bring back things that fall out of the tree. Looks like this treehouse needs some more pieces. Let's use all the blocks we have to rebuild this treehouse. Move a block to the tree.
I understand. Now stop talking.
Right.
Let's test it now. Make sure this is gonna be super wrong.
The block stayed. Let's test the...
Maybe it almost.
One last block. Remember, we have to use all the blocks. It doesn't seem like this block will fit anywhere nicely. Let's try rotating it. First, drag the block to the tree. Now, tap the arrow to turn it. Let's test the block we turned to...
Now let's test again to see if it works.
All our blocks are stable. Now we can put on the...
Uh-oh.
Our roof stayed on. Our treehouse is stable.
Great job.
Hero Elementary.
This treehouse has too many blocks in it. Let's fix it. Tap on a block to remove it from the treehouse. All right, now
It works.
the treehouse stayed up. And look, the recycling meter moved up. Let's take out another block to fill up the meter. Do you think the treehouse will stand up without this block?
Yep, it can.
The treehouse is stable, and the recycling meter is full. This treehouse is all fixed.
Super awesome idea. How your actions would be.
Hero Elementary.
There should be 2 paths, but we're not doing them at all. Go fetch with Bob Dog.
Go fetch with Bob Dog. I'm training to be an underground toy finder. Let's go!
Let's play this button.
Whoa-ho-ho! My first challenge is to find all my pink balls. Like this.
You grabbed one.
All right, now you fetch. Tap the toy you want me to pick up, then tap where it should go. Tap on a bowl to release that ball.
You fetch it into an orange ball.
Fetching complete. We got a starry ball.
Going around 2.
Whoa-ho-ho! The timer is up here. Put the plain yellow bone in my bowl. Whoops. First, ooh, I see my do-anything bone. My do-anything bone. It will fetch toys for me.
Now let's check for more other bones. Put it right here. Now one more. And up we go. Down to row O.
Proud of you. Yay, we got a hot dog squeaky toy.
Say yay like an approval. Even that's a key now.
You got 3 stars. Let's go.
Good job.
Whoa-ho-ho. Put the plain purple rope toy in my bowl. Whoops, whoops. First, we need to put this toy in a bowl.
Faster. Look, as fast as you can.
Focus. Thank you for coaching me, Penguin Referee.
Quick. The ball is trapped on the side. Ta-ta.
Whoops. First, we need to put this toy in a bowl.
My goodness!
Whoops. First, we need to put this toy in a bowl.
We better focus more.
Good fetching! Ooh, we got a newspaper.
Mission Earth.
Hi, I'm Ink. We're going on a mission to find and photograph special things on our Earth.
Why can't move?
Let's go. Use the arrow buttons to move me back and forth. Tap the jump button to make me jump.
Guess what?
Hold down the jump button to make me float. I want you. That looks messy. I'm flying. This is my robot friend, Jet 2. He's here to help. Let's go. Sunspot is taking photographs to send to our friends on Fortron 7. Excelsior! Tap the observe button in the top corner. It looks like a magnifying glass. Did you see that? Let's look more closely.
Okay, you little Mindy.
Let's go over here and spy with my little eye. A bit more closely. This looks interesting. Tap on this button for me to look at this more closely. Oops, you missed one Earth feature. Go explore and get Sunspot to take a photo. I think I can find another feature to photograph. Hey, go tap the observe button for me to look around and listen carefully for another feature Sunspot can photograph.
I can't. Mindy, you have to. Just let it see. You can't stop the game.
You need to take one more photo. I think I can find another feature to photograph. Hey, go tap the observe button for me. Let's go over here and spy with my little eye. A bit more closely. This is so fun!
There's the magnifying glass.
A cherry tree. Look at those beautiful pink flowers. Some cherry trees grow delicious fruits we can eat. Yum. Now that we have photos, we need to find... Jet 2 will send the photo to Fortron 7 to show them what planet Earth is like. Okay, glad you're here. Let's take 3 photos of plants around my neighborhood. Come on, let's go. Great job. You found one kind of plant. Can you locate any other leafy plants?
I don't know, Mindy, but it's taking so long. I guess what you get for talking like that.
Uh-oh, you passed a great Earth feature. Go back to the sparkles and tap them. Uh-oh, you passed a great Earth feature. Go back to the sparkles and tap them so I can take a closer look.
You're so locked.
You need to take 2 more photos. Once you have 3 photos, come back here so Jet 2 can send them to Fortron 7.
Well, Mindy, you still have no other choice but how to get away from that.
Find more of your PBS Kids friends on your local PBS station and the free PBS Kids video app. Also, subscribe to the PBS Kids Prime Video channel.